And this is their curly hair. This is how it came. And I will be showing you guys right now. They are 20 inches. This one is their Malaysia curly hair. This Malaysia curly hair is very, very pretty. Look at the wear. Look at the wear, guys. Very secure. Really very soft. Easy to run fingers. And then they also put a closure. And then this is their closure. Very neat. And this one is their 3 parts. And it looks as if they bleached the knot. And I don't need to do much with the closure. Really very pretty. As you guys can see, the 4 bundles, 220 inches, 118 inches, and 116 inches. Very, very pretty coils. Look at the coils. Very pretty. Oh my gosh. See. Pretty, pretty, pretty. I will be using 4 bundles and a closure. And then you guys can see, I can just run my fingers. The hair is very, very soft. Of this hair will be in the description box below, and everything I used in this video will also be in the description box below. If you enjoyed this video, give a huge thumbs up, share with friends and family. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will catch you guys in my next one. Bye.